Hey guys, it's a Math Maniac here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to simplify a root, specifically a square root, into a root and an integer. Instead of getting the real value, we get a root and an integer. And this only works on numbers that are divisible by a perfect square. So let me just start teaching you. So first, let's take the question: simplify the square root of 12. So let's start. So step one, you have to factorize the root. So you have to factorize it into the you have to factorize it using prime factorization. So for example, square root of 12 is equal to square root of 2 times 2 times 3. And step two, you have to take out the numbers that are same. So square root of 2 times 3 is just equal to the square root of 4 times 3. And since 4 is a perfect square, you can take that out and rewrite that as just 2 squared. And you can take the square root of 2 squared and you could just turn that into 2. So it's just going to be square root of 3 times 2 because we've taken both of these twos out and then we've written them as 1 because we want to find the square root. And then this third step is to rewrite the root. So square root of 12 is equal to 2 square root of 3. So now I'll give you a problem to work on yourself. Simplify the square root of 45. Please pause this video and solve it. Okay, so now I will go through the solution for this. So first we have to factorize the root, which is, so we're going to do square root of 45 is equal to of 3 times 3, which is 9, times 5, which is 45. And then we take out numbers that are the same, which means just common numbers. In this case, we have square root of 40. So then we have sqrt is equal to sqrt of 45 is equal to is equal to of 5 times 3, where 3 is not in the square root. So then we rewrite the equation and we could rewrite 40 45 is equal to, so, and whenever you have one of these like when you have this, you have to write the number without the root on it first. So like here, 2 root 3, so you write the 2 first and then this thing in the square root. So what I would write here is I would write 3 and then I would put a root symbol, which is square root symbol, which is practically like this. Wait, not like that. Yeah. Then we put then we put, yes, like that. That's the square root symbol. And then we put a 5 because that's still in the root. 3. So our answer here would be 3 square root of 5. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.